So let's talk about the second method now, which is automatic embed. What this will do, this will turn all of your links, your PDF links that ends with .pdf, and all of those links will now open with PDF viewer for WordPress or will be embedded as an iframe of PDF viewer for WordPress. Here I have created a test page with a test link. You can see this is a test link which will open a PDF. Let's open it and we can see what this will do. So when we open this link, you can see a PDF file is opening which has a .pdf at the end of it. It is opened in the default PDF viewer of the browser, which doesn't look good. What we can do is we can go to global settings and then automatic display and turn the automatic display to automatic iframe. Now when I reload this page, you can see PDF viewer WordPress has embedded that link automatically. So any link containing .pdf will be turned into this form. And if we choose the automatic link, it will turn that link with PDF viewer for WordPress. So now you can see it is opening with PDF viewer for WordPress, which it wasn't in the previous one. So that's how you can work with the automatic embed function. Thanks for watching.